Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online classes we offer. This morning in class we were discussing regrets, things we wish we'd done, things we wish we hadn't done, things we look back on and think, God, why did I do that? If only I'd had more sense, and so on. As we were going into the speaking activity, one of my students asked me about my own regrets, to which I replied, listen, I'm not really big on regrets. What's the point? They don't change anything. If you're big on something, it usually means you like it, but it's often used in the negative. So you can say you're not big on things, you're not very big on things, you're not really very big on things. Basically, as another way of saying you don't like them, you're not into them, you don't see the point of them. So, for example, if you're discussing your musical preferences, you might say, yeah, I'm not really very big on classical music. Sorry, no offence, but you know, each to their own, eh? You might say, I'm not very big on opera. I'm not very big on foreign cars. I'm not very big on the idea, to be honest. I'd rather do something different. You also sometimes see it used to mean that somebody likes something, that somebody prides themselves on something. So you might hear someone talking about their company and they might say, we've always been very big on customer service. We're very big on innovation in my company. Maybe when someone's selling themselves or describing what they do, they might say that they're very big on volunteering, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please make sure you share it with your students, your friends, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of things you're not really very big on, or maybe things you are big on.